Hello, I'm back, everybody. It's me, Matt Gaming, but everybody knows me as Mateus here for us. Welcome back to Shadowgun Dead Zone. This is one of my favorite games because I can play with all my friends whenever I want, except when they're not online, sadly. But if you guys can, you guys should get the game. It's a very, very good app. You could get on Google Play, Mobile Genie, anywhere on the app stores. But okay, let's play deathmatch. But sorry about the last video that didn't have any sound. It turned out I couldn't put on music because it was copyright. So welcome back to another game. I'll respawn in one more second. The thing that I learned is that I could kill people faster and much better with the shotgun. So when you guys get the game, I would prefer you guys upgrade your shotguns most of the way because some of it will need diamonds. And I just want to give a shout out to my sponsor, TWG Gaming, who's also on YouTube. You can find him at TWG Gaming. And if you do, please hit that subscribe button. And if you can, please leave me a like because I need all y'all support. Because these videos aren't easy to make, especially with my bedtime in a couple of minutes. And luckily, I'm able to be in first place. But as most of y'all may know, I have a family. Yes, I am not, but I'm not married. I live with my parents because I'm only 16 and barely in high school. And it turns out that, yes, as I learned, I could work at Walmart. And that's a very nice thing because they pay a lot of money. But thank all you guys. And I do not have subscribers, I have friends in y'all. You guys are like my best friends. I'm glad to have you guys as friends because you guys support me no matter what. And I'm glad because it's hard to find support today for us gamers. Yes, it is hard, but sometimes we have to go with all the challenges. And right now I'm at critical life, but I am glad to be still alive. Can't say the same for this guy who is now alive and killed me with one shot. Damn. Anyway, thank you guys for. If you haven't yet, please hit that like button and please subscribe because I need the support. Morally, and I need friends. It's hard to get friends these days. And as you guys can see, it's hard to get the best guns. I'm barely ranked 15 or 16, somewhere there. But still, it is hard to get these good guns because it is so like expensive. And thank all of my friends, Zach, TWG Gaming, Quibble Cop. I should give a shout out to Quibble Cop and Jilly out there playing probably. I don't know them personally, but I've been a fan of their show, and that's what got me made me want to start putting my own channel on YouTube. And thanks to them, I could get more support because I feel very, very glad to be doing the thing I love. Thanks to Quibblecop's last video I watched. And please subscribe with Quibblecop, he's one of the best. I also want to shout out to Miss Yourself, Get the Gaming Lemon, Jilly, Slogo Man, all the greats. Of course, I haven't met them in person, but I wish I could. Thank you guys for, if you guys are, please watch, and I hope you guys enjoy, because I only have a couple of minutes for each video, but I always do it wholeheartedly. And yeah, please subscribe. And I'll see you next time on another episode of Matias Perez Game Time. And I will keep you guys informed on the best games on Google Play and Mobile Genie. Because Mobile Genie, you could download any game you want, Grand Theft Auto, anything for free. And that's pretty cool, especially since they cost a lot of money. So as you guys can see, I won first place, and I want to say thank you to everybody. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.